Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Cancerians, and we will be checking what is happening in your next 6 months when it comes to your career. So it's for Sun Moon Rising. It is going to be a general reading. It is for all. So if you want your personal reading or any personal question you want me to answer for you, you can definitely check out the details in the description box. So let's begin your reading. So first we have, I'm becoming more aware of my feelings about money, and second is, money is not the root of evil or of happiness. काफ़ी लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपका एक बहुत बड़ा स्पिरिचुअल लेसन चल रहा है व्हेन इट कम्स टू मनी, व्हेन इट कम्स टू अबंडेंस, बिकॉज यू हैड दिस परसेप्शन दैट पैसा होगा तभी खुशी होगी. इफ़ आई हैव मनी ओनली देन आई कैन बी हैप्पी. ओके, सो नाउ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट money is not the root of evil. You are understanding whatever you are attracting in your life, it is not because you do not have money or you are lacking any kind of abundance, but it is actually more about your own feelings and the thoughts that you are feeding in your mind. So let's read the message first. It says, this important subject of money and financial success, it's not the root of all evil as many have quoted, nor is the path to happiness. So when you're able to successfully control something like the subject of money that affects most of you all day every day, and you will have accomplished something rather significant, for not only it is certain that your financial success must improve, but the evidence of that success will then prepare you for deliberate improvement in every aspect of your life. So I think this is something that I've already talked about, and I think that some of you really crib about not having enough money every day. Okay, probably अच्छा ये नहीं हो रहा है तो पैसे नहीं है इस वजह से, ये नहीं हो रहा पैसे नहीं है इस वजह से, ये नहीं हो रहा करियर में कुछ नहीं हो रहा इस वजह से नहीं. So that is not the case at all, and this is something that you are already realizing. Though I do feel कि it's not an awakening for you yet, but you are coming to that level. Okay, slowly you are understanding the relationship that you need to have with money and the relationship you have with money. Okay, then we also have, I'm becoming more aware of my feelings about money, which says, many people protest when we explain the power of telling the story of their finances, and they want it to be rather than as it is, because they believe that they should be factual about what is happening. But if you continue to look at lackful what is and speak of what is, you will not find the improvement that you desire. If you want to effect substantial changes in your life experience, you must think thoughts that feel different as you think them. So some of you may have this thing that you have been having a different kind of narration when it comes to what money is and how you can have money. Okay, you are, I do feel that the way you think, there's a lot of रीवायरिंग हैपनिंग इन योर सबकॉन्शियस. ठीक है, आपके सबकॉन्शियस में बहुत सारी चीज़ों को लेके, मनी वाली चीज़ को लेके, अबंडेंस वाली चीज़ को लेके रीवायरिंग हो रही है, वेयर यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू कैन अट्रैक्ट मनी. ओके, मनी इज़ एन एनर्जी, इट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू अट्रैक्ट. दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग कि हाँ आपने काम किया, ये किया, वो किया, तभी आपके पास पैसा आएगा. नो, दैट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ सर्वाइवल टेक्निक कि अब आपको बस सर्वाइव करना है, ये करना है, तो ठीक है ये काम कर लो. नो, दिस इज नॉट हाउ मनी वर्क्स. इट इज एक्चुअली an energy. Okay, and if you really want to have anything that you desire, then you need to work on your mindset, then you need to improve the way you think and the kind of story that you want to tell to people. Okay, let's see what is that one thing that you can be careful about, one energy that you need to be protective of. identify your emotional triggers, and we have ask a dream for guidance. So सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये कि आप लोगों को काफ़ी गाइडेंस मिलती हुई दिख रही है, बट ये गाइडेंस आपको कहीं और से नहीं, आपकी खुद की इंट्यूशन से मिलेगी, आपको अपनी मेडिटेशन से मिलेगी, एंड आपको अपने ड्रीम्स के थ्रू काफ़ी ज़्यादा गाइडेंस मिल सकती है. फॉर सम आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट you to go for hypnotherapy, okay, or some kind of past life regression, because कुछ ऐसा ब्लॉक है मनी से रिलेटेड जो इस लाइफ टाइम से नहीं है, सिर्फ वो पिछले लाइफ टाइम से है. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट आई कैन गिव यू कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ऑफ समवन आई नो, और इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन लुक फॉर योर ओन थेरेपिस्ट एज वेल, hypnotherapist. ठीक है, दैट विल लाइक रियली हेल्प यू टू टैप इन टू दी अनकॉन्शियस, बिकॉज कुछ ऐसे इमोशनल ट्रिगर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से एक फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉक हो सकता है जो क्रिएट हो रहा है अगेन एंड अगेन कंटिन्यूसली, एंड नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम दिस life, but probably from your past life also. Okay, another thing I feel is because Saturn is also in a retrograde, so it's not going to be easy. Money and इमोशंस का कुछ ना कुछ एक डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन है आप लोगों के साथ, ठीक है, एंड that is something that you need to identify, and Saturn is not going to leave you alone. Saturn is going to trigger you emotionally, mentally, both when it comes to money. So I see a direct connection of your emotions and your money. Okay, and I don't know what it is. That is something that you need to understand, because it's more about a subjective thing, it's not a general thing. So this is something that you need to understand कि अगर ऐसा है तो क्यों है. And also it says we absorb the emotions of others that remain unhealed in ourselves. Notice your triggers such as anger, fear, and gently begin to heal them. Okay, through your money situations, you're going to heal certain emotions of yours, okay, certain triggers of yours. So there's a direct relationship that you have with your money and your emotions. I'm saying that again and again so that I can reach to your subconscious, and I can tell your subconscious to, you know, work on it if something of this sort is there. Let's see what messages do we get from this deck. It says time to go, deep knowing, and it also says come to the edge. So and bottom of the deck is unfinished symphony. So like I said कि कुछ ऐसी एक साइकिल है जो चलती आ रही है. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि ये जो साइकिल है ना, ये आपकी एंसेस्टर्स या जनरेशन से भी चलती आ रही है रिलेटेड टू मनी. ओके, आप अपने आप को कितना आइसोलेट कर लो, आप अपने आप को कितना डिफरेंट पाथ पे लेके चले जाओ जो शायद से आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने नहीं किया है, दिस एंड दैट, बट द ब्लॉक इज गोइंग टू रिमेन द सेम, बिकॉज दिस इज मोर अबाउट एस्केपिंग rather than actually coming eye to eye, face to face with the situation or the problem. Okay, then we have time to go, and I also feel that, you know, you are going to tap into the unknown. कुछ एक ऐसा door definitely मुझे लग रहा है that you are going to get an access to a door, to a pathway which is unknown to you right now. Okay, this is not something usual. I do feel कि आप कुछ deep work ऐसा कुछ करते हुए दिख रहे हो, कुछ ऐसा आप क्रैक करते हुए दिख रहे हो, कुछ आपके पास कोई डाउनलोड आ सकता है, कुछ ऐसा कोडेड इंफॉर्मेशन आ सकती है which is going to blow your mind in the next 6 months when it comes to money. Okay, and I don't know why it's like in the upcoming years I do see that you will become financially free. Okay, and not just financially free, but you will have a kind of that playful attitude towards money. You're not going to take money that seriously, because you will crack the code of money. You will understand what this money is, what this Lakshmi is, what this entire energy is all about. So I see you cracking the code about money, about abundance itself, okay? And it's time to go in that direction. Some of you, for very few of you, I do see that you might even become a coach or some speaker about this particular thing, okay? So it's time to do something deep, and for a lot of you, your life purpose is involved here, okay? So Saturn is going to show you, maybe through certain experiences that may not look very beautiful. Some ugly experiences are going to be there, but through those experiences, from those experiences, you will get the biggest success of your life, okay? So these 6 months are going to be very, very important for you. Let's see what else do we have. So we have 4 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles. 4 number is very much important. 3 of Cups, 10 of Cups, Queen of Cups. There's a possibility that you might start a business, or you might collaborate with an opposite gender, or not just an opposite gender, I would say probably with a female. And वहाँ से काफ़ी चीज़ें चेंज हो सकती हैं आप लोगों के लिए, ठीक है? Not just financially, but in other areas as well. Could be someone from your family, okay? Also, we got the card of 4 of Swords. So make sure that you are giving yourself proper time to rest, because most of the guidance that you are going to receive about your career is through dreams. यहाँ पे भी dreams का card आया है, and यहाँ पे भी dreams का card आया है. So that dream thing is really important, and I would really suggest you guys to go for hypnotherapy session. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ ऐसी useful information है जो आपको मिलेगी, and that will really help you to tap into something useful and meaningful, okay? And that has something to do with your purpose as well. Also, I do feel that there's going to be some prominent female figure which is going to play a very important role in your career in the next 6 months, probably in your finances, okay? Also, do not take any kind of risk in the next 6 months. Sorry. You have to play safe in the next 6 months. Do not take any big risk, or do not make any big investment in any project or something, okay? Till the time you do not have like a proper plan or something, do not go solo, is what I'm trying to say. But if you participate with groups, if you collaborate, or if you are doing anything that has something to do with a group of people, that is something which is going to bring a lot of profit to you, that is going to bring that respect, it is going to bring value, it is going to bring some kind of honor and loads of money, okay? Loads and loads of money, Cancerians. So that is going to be super amazing. And we also have, there could be a new job or a new idea that you might be working on, okay, in the next 6 months, and that is where this woman, this female figure arrives, okay? This female figure is going to help you. This female figure is going to this female figure is very talented, and she is going to help you a lot in your journey, okay? Very wise, very intuitive. For some it could be your partner, okay? So I do feel that if it is your partner, then you really need to listen to what they say, because this person is highly intuitive, this person is highly smart. Not that you're not smart, but this person has a very good intuitive instinct, and whatever they may tell you or guide you, it will become very useful for you in the long term. Okay, so this is what I see. And some of you, I do feel that in the next 5 to 6 months, make sure that you are saving loads and loads of money. Okay, because you might be needing money in the month of Feb and March for something important and something huge and great. Okay, so this is the time to save good amount of money. Okay, so that is there, and that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.